shoulders. Snow melts off the mountainside. Children running kites like colors. Old songs in a younger sky. Grandma tying threads of fabric, red and green around my wrist, saying, look, the dark is over. Every tear has turned to mist. Fire over Newroz, we are dancing, we are whole. From the valleys to the rooftops, same flame in every soul. Spring is in our language, every heartbeat singing through. Fire over Newroz, we are free, we are brand new. Hey! Hey! Drums start talking to the hillside, feet start talking to the ground. Circle growing round the bonfire, hands in hands we pass it round. Stories painted on the smoke trails, names they try to wash away, but our laughter writes them brighter on the sky of this new day. Fire over Newroz, we are dancing, we are whole. From the valleys to the rooftops, same flame in every soul. Spring is in our language, every heartbeat singing through. Fire over Newroz, we are free, we are brand new. Yeah, jump the flame for the ones who are missing. Call their names as the sparks go high. Every step is a small resistance, every song is a piece of sky. Green hills, golden fields, they're calling. Wind carries our flag in the blue. All these roots, they keep on growing. Every year we rise anew. Fire over Newroz, we are dancing, we are whole. From the valleys to the rooftops, same flame in every soul.